Kani gade ke Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Palat lai Hajar Ngut ki Samla ki bala pendap ya ke personal interview. Haka kam Pule jong ka pertan special force 10. Kila Shah Ktah haki jing Pule jong ki tang namar bakat nat home police jong ka sarkar jela kam parla ban penmi ya ke result jong kani ka jing purun kam haka ni ka pertan Pulen. Halor kani ka jing Slem ban penmi ya kani ka result Pynrung kam. Ki Samla ki bala wan nadu na rilom garo. Henne ka sngi kan reuturik uno pra haka jing kendo bat kinong puthai ku bor ke jela. Hasilong press club kila kerpat ya ke sarkar jela bakan permi no kloy ya kani ke result jong ka personal interview ya ke bagi la pendap nadu ubana jeliu bat ubana naitung mentau snam arjakan nyo bat ada ke sarkar kam sngap kim ban se ban mi surok bandawa ya la ke jong ka hong na kani ke kanhun usamla kemen lang dakhar habai keren bagi nong pathai ku bor ulai tho bagi babon hi na ki ba apply ya kani ke kam kidai ki Samla ki barang Pule ya ke class 12 bat kumta ka jing Slem man penmi ya ke result kala Ktah ya ke Pule jungki baki ha ban up ya ke rai na kani ke personal interview lakan saiso ne am.
Unfortunately, the result was stopped after there was a case against the recruitment board. We felt very sad for what had happened, and till now the result was withheld. So I urge upon the department and the government to do something for this, because we are in dark times and conditions where we don't know what the future lies ahead of us. For 6 months waiting for the results, frustration has built, age lapse for some, because this is going to be the last recruitment for them, and the result was withheld for such a long period. So from our side, we would like to urge and with due respect request to do something for this so that the various posts can be filled.